Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Crypto.com trading bot. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the trading bot section. You'll then select a trading pair, like Bitcoin versus USD, that you wish to automate. Next, choose a bot strategy that aligns with your goals, such as a grid bot for range trading or a dollar-cost averaging bot for consistent buys. This initial setup is crucial for your bot's success. Once you've selected your strategy, it's time to configure the parameters. You'll need to define the total investment amount the bot will use, perhaps $500. For grid bots, set your desired price range and the number of grids, which determines how many buy and sell orders are placed. Always adjust your profit targets and stop-loss levels to protect your capital and manage potential risks. After launching your bot, consistent monitoring is key. Regularly review its performance metrics, including profit and loss, and check any open orders. If market conditions shift dramatically, you might need to adjust your bot settings to optimize its strategy. Don't hesitate to pause or even stop the bot if it's not performing as expected or if your market outlook changes. For advanced tips, always start with a smaller investment to thoroughly test your bot strategy before committing larger funds. Research various bot strategies beyond the basics to find one that perfectly matches your risk tolerance and market view. Remember, continuous learning is vital in automated trading. Also, for a cleaner home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This can free up your time to focus on your trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.